If you've ever worked on brakes, you should recognize this. Of course, it's a little modified, but this is a common issue. These bleeders break off, and then you have to buy a new caliper or a new wheel cylinder. Well, not me. No, you just take this thing and you weld a little tab on the top of it. Now these are in a casting. They're either cast iron or aluminum, and the weld's not going to stick to anything but this steel right here. So you weld a tab on top of it, you set this nut on top of it, and then you fill that nut full. Make it red hot. I mean, just absolutely red hot, but save the hex so you can put a socket on it. And then as soon as it loses the red, as soon as it cools to gray, put a wrench on it. Comes right out. 100% success on doing this. And this is on everything. I mean, exhaust studs, manifolds, even head bolts and main bolts. As I said, 100% success. This has always worked for me.